Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. One of the best ways to make money from this site is to refer your friends. This very site right here that I am about to show you guys here. One of the best ways to make money from this is to refer your friends. And one thing that I love about this is that it is free to use. It is actually free. You don't necessarily need to make any deposit, and also the withdrawal threshold is quite low. And this is actually something that you can start by simply registering by clicking that very first link in the description box of this video to get registered. And when you get registered, during the registration process, you will see a place written login. That very place written login, you don't need to insert your email address right there. Just input your username, whatever your username is. Input your username right there, and now your password, and go ahead and click on register to get registered. So once you are done registering, you will see that on the dashboard right here, the mining is automatic. It will automatically start mining for you, so you don't necessarily need to make any deposits right here, guys. But then the money you earn from the mining might be small, but if you don't want to make any deposit, you can continue with it. That's why I say that it's free. But then if you actually want to make more money from this, that means you may have to make a deposit. But before you do that, please do your own research, because I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. That being said, guys, you can actually withdraw as low as $1 from this site. From what I've learned about it, you can withdraw as low as $1 from this site, in as much as you've actually attained the withdrawal threshold, which is just $1. Now, to get started with this, you need to register. Then, just like I've explained about the registration, now to start making money from this, you need to refer your friends. And how do you refer your friends? You need to come to this very place right here, this icon at the top left corner here. You click on it and scroll down. You're going to see affiliate programs. Click on affiliate program, guys, and you will be able to copy your invitation code link. Click on it, just tap on it and have this copied to your clipboard. Now you can go to your social softwares, your WhatsApp groups, your Telegram, your TikTok, Instagrams, and the likes, and post this link right there. Any place where you are actually permitted to paste links, you can go ahead and paste it and invite your friends to get registered in the site. Explain to them how the site actually works. So once you register and you have gotten all I've explained so far, guys, you can just come around here and play around the site and see some things that might be helpful to you. Their support is here in the site. Their support is here, so you just click on here to visit their, to lodge any complaint to their support if you have anything to complain to them, and to see how to work and earn with us. You can click on here for more information on how to work and earn. I wouldn't want to go so much into details about every single thing that is written here, so that the video wouldn't be too long, because I actually want to make it a very brief video. So click that very first link down there in the description box of this video to get registered. Come to the site, play around it, and understand every single thing you need to understand. Here below the referral link is the referral profit. The company TRX wallet provides a generous reward of $8 for each registered person through a referral link, as well as deductions from a 3-level affiliate program, 7%, 3%, 1% from the amount of each wallet replenishment by a referral. So you can see the amount you can earn when you refer your friends to get registered, as much as $8, and you also earn commissions from them, and also from their downlines, their first generation, second generation, and third generation downlines. You the referrer who refer them, earn commissions too. So guys, if you have any comments about this, please leave your comments down there in the comment section of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do yourself a favor and smash that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, so that you can actually stay updated in this channel and you don't have to miss any updates that I upload in this channel. Subscription is absolutely free. You don't pay any money to subscribe. Subscription on my YouTube channel only helps you to get notified from YouTube every single time I upload a video in this channel. Do that right now, guys, and see me in the next video.